This is not your average classroom. Here, hard hats and harnesses are part of the lesson. With youth unemployment at 14.6% in Canada, according to Statistics Canada, many young Albertans are turning to hands-on experiences like this one here to break into construction, energy, and renewable sector.
In Calgary, this new training facility, MCL Height Safety, is giving students a taste of the real-world skills they'll need in some of Canada's fastest-growing industries. Experts say the first step is getting the right training.
With the training that we offer, that can be from the basic training of how to put on a harness or how to use a set of lanyards whilst working at height, all the way through to the more advanced and developing people's career to be able to move forward into those industries and sectors.
Students can work through recreated job site scenarios using the same equipment they'll see on the field. Instructors run live demos like this one here. Training manager Steve says it's the closest you can get to a wind turbine without actually being there. With the industry booming, he says registrations in this field are up 30% over last year.
What we're seeing here in North America now is the owners of these turbines are demanding that this GWO certification be had by their contractors and subcontractors. So GWO certification has 4 modules. You come in and it's what you're requiring to do either servicing of or construction of wind turbine generators.
Hans says with construction and renewables booming, such hands-on programs can give young Albertans the skills to land real jobs and turn them into careers. In Calgary, Henna Said, City News.